Sysco Shop lists 101. Shop Sysco.com. The Sysco Shop app provides a convenient way for customers to order Sysco products online. Here's how you can use the Sysco Shop Lists feature. 1. Download the app. First, download the Sysco Shop app on your mobile device. 2. Search products. Use the app to explore Sysco's complete product catalog. You can customize your preferences to find what you need quickly and easily. 3. Create lists. You can create custom lists for quick and accurate orders. The list can be sequenced optimally for sheet-to-shelf matching, which is especially useful for inventory management. 4. Split case selection. View cases and splits of products as a single line item and order the exact quantities you need. 5. Checkout. Place your orders anytime, anywhere, even while offline, and make last-minute adjustments before the cut-off time. 6. Order history. Access up to 14 months of previous order history and modify existing orders up to the delivery cut-off time. 7. Offline sync. The app features offline sync, so you can continue to build your order anytime, anywhere. For more detailed information or to start using the Sysco Shop app, you can visit their official website or download the app from the App Store. Now check out 1. Sysco Shop app. https://www.sysco.com